So here's a trick. These rubber stoppers go up onto the body and they're held there by a mushroom shaped spigot. You can sort of see it on the other side there. Yeah. Okay. So what you do is you have to force this up until this hole goes over the spigot. And I do that by using this here, this piece of wood and a jack, and you put it up under here and you jack it up until it goes over the spigot. But what you find is that it's just too tight and you can't get it over the spigot. It distorts. So what I do is I take one of the rubber things and I take a 1/2 inch socket. You put it on top here like that, and then you jack it up. And what happens is as you jack it up, it pushes the socket, which has a nice sort of beveled thing, into that hole, and then it expands over this part. And then as you get it right up and the mushroom head goes on here, it'll go straight into the rubber without a problem. The socket can then be pulled out the bottom. Done.